Rise and shine, breakfast enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary world of kitchen technology with a game changer about making your morning sizzle. Meet the one and only smart toaster, the futuristic kitchen wizard redefining how we toast our bread to perfection. Say goodbye to burnt edges and half-done slices, and say hello to a breakfast experience that's anything but ordinary. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of toasting brilliance as we explore the jaw-dropping features and mouthwatering possibilities of the smart toaster. Trust us, folks, this is one YouTube journey you won't want to miss. So hit that subscribe button, and let's toast our way into the future together. Number 5. Breville BTA720XL Bit More 2-Slice Toaster, Brushed Stainless Steel. Accommodating all-day breakfast, this innovative toaster can accommodate even the heartiest appetite. With a compact 2-slice capacity, this toaster by Breville is a space-saving blessing in disguise. Its brushed stainless steel finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, and the exterior is coated with DuPont Teflon for easy cleaning. A Bit More and Lift and Look are two innovative features that allow you to monitor your progress and extend the toasting cycle. The Bit More feature lets you add extra time to the toasting process, while the Lift and Look feature allows you to lift the toast a bit higher from the toasting slot to check on your progress without interrupting the cycle. With a variable browning control, you can set the browning level for your toast just as you like it. The 2-slice toaster has an LED indicator that allows you to monitor your toast in two wide slots that accommodate thick slices of bread. Finally, it shuts off automatically to prevent your toast from burning. Number 4. Breville BTA735BSS Toast Select Luxe 2-Slice Toaster. Welcome to a whole new world of toast. The brand new Breville toasters are here. Say goodbye to toaster guesswork with the new toaster presets. Choose between 6 different presets, from bagels to waffles to English muffins, and the toaster will automatically adjust the toasting time to deliver the best results for that type of bread. A browning dial allows you to fine-tune your toast even further. And with the Breville toaster, you can even monitor the progress of your toast with the LED indicator, so you know exactly when it's ready. There is also a manual lift and look feature, meaning you can lift the toast mid-cycle to check on its progress, and a 6-setting function for different types of bread. The Breville toaster has a compact 2-slice design, a crumb tray that is removable for easy cleaning, and a reheat function that allows you to reheat toast without overcooking. It's no longer necessary to remove your bread from the toaster to check if it's done. Just use the manual lift and look function to peek at the progress. The crumb trays make it easy to clean the bread crumbs out of your toaster with ease. The new Breville toasters deliver the best results for whatever type of bread you're toasting. Number 3. Cuisinart CPT 435C4 Slice Countdown Metal Toaster. Toast your way to a better breakfast with this stainless steel toaster from Cuisinart. Multi-technology, 1,300 watts of power lifts the elements to brown the outside of the bread and heat the inside. Cuisinart has made the kitchen even easier with settings for everything your family needs. Comprehensive browning control, select from 7 browning levels for custom toasting results. The darkest location gives the bread an extra flavor boost from the outside. The one-touch lift lever makes it easy to remove smaller slices of bread. Bagel function. The bagel function toasts one side of the bread and warms the other for an easy half-and-half toast. No fiddling with your settings or running back to the toaster again and again. It's also a great way to toast bagels. Bagel function shade selector. Choose light to dark with a simple touch to toast the outside of the bagel while warming the inside. Defrost makes frozen bread and pastries a thing of the past with this one-touch setting. It thaws bread and bagels quickly without worrying about over-toasting or burning. Reheat. Keep even your cold leftovers fresh with this reheat setting. Slices of toast, bagels, and pastries are returned to optimal temperature without worrying about over-browning. Keep warm. After your toast comes out of the toaster, it's important to keep it warm until you're ready to dig in. The toaster's keep warm function helps you do just that. Cancel operation. With this function, you can stop the toasting process at a moment's notice. LED indicators. See the toaster's status at a glance with its LED indicators, including the number of slices ready, which shade you've selected, and toasting progress. Extra lift carriage. The carriage raises different height to accommodate all types of bread, even the tallest slices. Number 2. Breville BTA820XL Die Cast 2-Slice Smart Toaster. The Breville 2-Slice Smart Toaster, a compact toaster that lets you feel in control. Thanks to one-touch automation and several innovative features, this 2-slice toaster enables you to feel in control. It features variable browning control, allowing you to choose how toaster warms up your bread or bagels from light to crispy. The handy, a bit more, setting lets you add extra time without resetting the toaster, while the lift and look function lifts and retracts the toast mid-cycle to give you a peak without interrupting the toasting cycle. It also includes a defrost setting, allowing you to thaw bread straight from the freezer. Featuring a removable crumb tray and a removable crumb cleaning brush for quick and easy cleaning, so you can get back to eating your bagels and toast in no time. The toaster comes with an automatic self-centering bread slot to accommodate thick slices of bread. Number 1. Revolution R180B Touchscreen Toaster. Make toast like a pro without the pro price. With patented Insta Glow technology, this toaster can reach full glow in as little as 3 seconds, so you spend less time waiting for your toast. Impress your friends with your culinary skills with the new Revolution R180B touchscreen toaster with patented Insta Glow technology. Made for the tech-savvy generation, the R180B has a large 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen display with a user-friendly interface, making it simple for everyone. With a patented Insta Glow technology that glows at full brightness in seconds and a countdown timer to let you know when the toast is ready, the R180B removes the stress from breakfast so you can get on with your day. The R180B looks and works great and makes a fantastic toast with the Perfect Toast technology, a series of smart sensors that automatically lowers and lifts bread as needed to ensure a perfect golden brown toast every time. With the smart toaster in your kitchen, every morning becomes a symphony of perfectly toasted bread, setting the stage for a day of delicious possibilities. Embrace the future of breakfast with this culinary marvel by your side. So, if you're ready to upgrade your toasting game and make your taste buds dance joyfully, don't wait another moment. Get your hands on the smart toaster today and experience the magic of a genuinely brilliant breakfast. Hit that like button, share this video, and toast to a smarter, tastier tomorrow.